What is the total length of the Indian railway network? The correct answer is option B, 67,956 kilometers. Which railway station has been renamed as Prayagraj Junction? The correct answer is option A, Allahabad Junction. Which city has the headquarters of Indian Railways? The correct answer is option C, New Delhi. How many pairs of wheels does a standard railways passenger coach have? The correct answer is option B, 4 pairs of wheels. Which state in India does not have railway tracks? The correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Which station has the most railway tracks in India? The correct answer is option D, Mathura Junction. Which train is referred as the Palace on Wheels? The correct answer is option C, Palace on Wheels. Which organization manages the ticketing system of Indian Railways? The correct answer is option B, IRCTC. Who is the first woman to become the chairperson of the Indian Railways? The correct answer is option C, Jaya Vamsimha. What is the total number of zones in Indian Railways? The correct answer is option C, 18. Which is the longest railway zone in India by size? The correct answer is option A, Northern Railway. Where is the headquarters of the South Central Railway located? The correct answer is option C, Sikandarabad. What is the gauge size of the broad gauge railway in India? The correct answer is option B, 1.676 meters. When was the first electric train introduced in India? The correct answer is option A, 1925. Which train is known as the Train of Unity? The correct answer is option C, Samjhauta Express. Which of the following is the fastest train in India? The correct answer is option B, Vande Bharat Express. What is the maximum speed of Vande Bharat Express? The correct answer is option B, 160 km per hour. Where is the Indian Railways Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering located? The correct answer is option B, Jamalpur. Which railway zone is the oldest in India? The correct answer is option B, Southern Railway. Which of these trains has the longest route in India? The correct answer is option A, Vivek Express.